I better get to class. Whoa! Look at that! Now that's what I call a doll's house. I can make a better doll's house than this. I'm definitely signing up for the competition. Hey, out of my way! I want to enter the contest! Let go! Look out! Ah! No! Look what you've done! Me? I just wanted the pen! Ah! Oh, what happened? Ow, that hurt! Get this off me! What is this place? Ooh, look at this. I can use this for my doll's house. Where should I start? I want this to be perfect. I'll start by lining the walls of the box. I'm using sheets of colored paper. It's quick and easy. Wow, it's so colorful. What do you think? I know, you love it. I have an eye for design. What's wrong with Brittany? She started already? Yeah, I know. It's impressive. It's okay to be jealous. I need some inspo. No. Nope, not a fan. Ooh, this could be promising. Now we need to wait. Woohoo! I love that part! Aw, it's so cute! I love it! Go on, have a look around. It's got everything you need. No, you don't like it? That's okay, I can fix this. It just needs some gold. I always knew you had expensive tastes. This will transform it. I'll cut the sheets to size and place them in the rooms. Okay, how's that? Oh, wow. I knew you'd like it. I'm so sleepy. You're tired too? I'm the one doing all the work. Okay, I know what to do. I need to make some alterations to this curtain. Actually, I need to take some pieces from it. This'll do. I've made a bed from cardboard. Then I'll use the curtain fabric as sheets. It looks cozy. You can catch up on your beauty sleep now. It's a little bare. It needs some furnishings. Sweet dreams! That's a good idea. That's just what we need. I've got a plan. Come on. Hello, Kendall. What are you doing? I want that phone. I'll pay you for it. Whoa! Think of all the things I could buy with this. Chocolate! Are you okay? Wow, you drive a hard bargain. More money? Wow! This is the best day ever! Woohoo! This is getting ridiculous. Ah! I'm rich! I've never been so happy! Take it! It's yours! Finally! This is gonna be the softest bed ever. I've cut a rectangle from the foam. Now I need to decorate it. In gold, obviously. But it needs a little more glamour. I'll press these pins into another piece of foam. They look just like pearls. That's the last one. Now I need to put everything together. This will be the headrest. Then I'll need a cozy blanket. And pillows. Wow, it looks amazing! This looks like a good spot for it. Now I'll add ribbon to the roof. This will act like a curtain. I want you to be relaxed in bed. I think that's it. Go ahead and lie down. Good night. I need this. I've had so much candy. My dentist will be so mad. Wake up! I mean, cock-a-doodle-doo! Huh? Is it morning already? I had the best sleep. Huh? Where did my doll go? I think I know. Hey, what are you doing down there? Don't ignore me. Get over here. Do you hear me? What have you done? Look at you! You've got chocolate all over your face! We need to clean you. I'm not arguing about it. Don't be like that. Okay, I know. We need to give this tub a makeover. I'll dab gold paint onto it. This sponge will give it a nice texture. Once it's dry, I'll place gold tape around the edge. Wow, it's so decadent! I mean, you've gotta bathe in style. And I have a gold toilet to match. But it could be improved. I'll paint the seat and sprinkle over glitter. Then I'll add gold tape to the cistern. And how about a golden chain? I've never seen a toilet like this. They're ready! How's this? You deserve the best. I'll put them into the house. The toilet can go back here. And the tub right next to your bed. It's the most luxurious bathroom. We need to fill the tub. Ooh, we can use this. I'll pour the soda into the tub. You've gotta have bubbles. Then I'll drop in mints. Now it's a jacuzzi. In you go. Try and relax. This is your time. I spent all night dreaming of candy. Wait. Oh yeah, it was real. Huh? What's that smell? Oh, come on. Stop it. That's so gross. What have you been eating? out. Girl, you've got a problem. You need a shower. All I've got is a straw. But that's not a problem. I'll pull and bend the straw like this. Now I need a pair of scissors. I'll snip the straw right here. I'll make another cut below the flexible part. Now I'll glue the pieces together. I'll stick red and blue beads to it. Now I need to build a toilet. I've made the base from foam. I'll wrap card around it. And then I can make the seat. I've got everything you need. The shower can go on the wall. And now you've got a bathroom. Let's make it more homey. Okay, get in there. You need a good scrub. I'll give you some privacy. That went well. Don't you feel better now? You smell amazing. But your dress is still covered in chocolate. Don't worry, we'll get you a new outfit. I love clothes shopping. There's nothing better. Wow, it's so exciting. Let's see what we've got. I'm not sure. I think we need to try something different. Any ideas? Hang on. We can use this gold fabric. I think it's time for a custom dress. I'll lay the fabric on the table. I've made a template out of card. Now I'll cut around it. Next, I'll join the pieces together. That was easier than I thought it'd be. Try it on. Wow, you are working that fit. You look like a model. You should be on the catwalk. Refreshing. Oh no! We need to get a move on! Does that feel better? Wow, you smell so good. What the? Look at that outfit. We can do better than that. I just need to grab something first. It's not in here. Where am I? This isn't my bedroom.
What are you doing in here?
Ooh, that's just what I need.
You want my mask? They're in my briefcase.
Cool, thanks. Huh? Nope. Got it! Oh, hold on. How much do I owe you? You know, take it all. Bye!
Who was that?
It's time to make a dress. Oh, we're missing one more thing. I'll need this. You're gonna look so stylish. Let's do this! First, I'll cut the straps off the mask. I'll do this on both sides. Then I'll cut the mask. I'll go right up the middle. I need 2 pieces of material. I'll place them side by side. Now I'll stick them together and fold them over. It's that simple. It's such a cute skirt. Here you go. Wow, it really complements that top. And the headscarf. Great choice. You'll need a clothes rack for your room. You can never have enough clothes. You look perfect. Guess what I've got? You need somewhere to sit. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Whoa! No! Stop! I can't look. What? Where did this come from? The chair! It's ruined! Yeah, I'd say so. Give me it. Why did this have to happen? I'm so sorry. Wait! How silly of me! We can cover it in gold. I can't believe I forgot about that part. A little fold here, and it's ready. It looks even better. Maybe that happened for a reason. Wow, it really brings the room together. Take a seat on your throne. What do you think, Kendall? Let me see that. Wow, that's pretty fancy. Wait a second. Maybe I can make a chair for my doll. I know what to do. I've stuck these sponges together. Now I'll put glue onto them. I'll go all the way across. Then I'll fold a piece of fabric over them. I'll stick them to the glue. I'll try and keep it as neat as possible. I'll stick black felt to the center. I can flip it over now. I'll do the same to make the back and the sides. Now we have a couch. Try it out. It looks so comfortable. I've got some accessories for you. It's the little things that give it character. You must be hungry after all this. Have some cake. You'll need some plants. How about some wall art? I prefer the classics. You'll need a photo of your bae. I think we're almost finished. Wow, now that's what I call a home. This is like a palace. Hey, do you mind? Sorry. I love what you've created. It's so golden. Yeah, that's what I was going for. And, your doll's house is different. In a good way. Look! Something's happening! No, wait! We won! Congratulations! Wow, I'm so happy! It's well-deserved. Looking for a little interior design inspiration? Well, you're in the right place. Who do you think made the best doll's house? Brittany or Kendall? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.